Hello, this is Joshua from Tiny House Basics, and this is an in-progress tiny house build that we have going on right now. This is a 28-foot by 10-foot wide tiny house build, and it is 13 feet 10 inches tall from the ground to the top of the roof. The kitchen right here, we have a 7.5-foot wide accordion doors, matching with window above that in the master loft. Over the fenders, we have an 8-foot wide accordion window, with a matching with picture window above it. So going in, you could see that this is very much a build in progress. We're going to walk in right here through the bathroom. We have a full walkway that goes through the full length of the house, which you'll see. That's kind of the shower stall that we have right there. You can kind of picture a vanity to the right. Going into the main room on the right, we'll have the stairs. We'll have a couch that is going to be right next to the fender on the right hand side. This is walking into the kitchen. We're going to have some cabinets built out on the right with a little island. On the far left, next to the accordion doors, we're going to have a refrigerator. Kitchen sink is going to be underneath this awning window right there. So you can see that these accordion doors really bring in a ton of natural light. This loft has about 6 foot 10 inches of clearance underneath. That's enough so it can fit above the accordion doors. Those accordion doors are pretty much the standard height as to most entry doors, which is about 82 inches. This is kind of looking back in towards the bathroom. This is the area that we are planning on mocking out the stairs. And you can see the full length walkway going from the secondary loft to the master loft. It is a 2-foot wide catwalk that goes the full length. And then the headroom height, I can't think of what it is offhand, but we tailored it to our client's height so she can walk front to the back of the tiny house and not hit the ceiling. This is the second loft, bedroom loft. We have some nice awning and picture windows right here. We're also going to close this off with a door and an insulated wall. And then we'll have kind of an air exchange so the air conditioning can kind of go inside to that second loft and kind of keep it nice and comfortable. Walking to the master loft, you can see that we have this kind of raised area for the loft that gives more clearance below, but able to be the full walking length front and back of the house. When I have these dual slider windows next there, and you can see these wires hanging out from the wall. That is for the air conditioning system. So this uses a mini split air conditioner, and it's actually a dual zone. So one zone will be in the master bedroom, and then going forward, you can kind of see those white lines hanging out. That is going to be for the second zone to cool the main space of the house. All right, so that is a quick little tour of kind of this tiny house in progress. We'll have some more videos as we go along with the build, and you can kind of see the interior take shape. So if you have any questions, please leave them below in the comments, and thank you for watching.